In this video, I will show you the exact steps to perfectly align your text in Adobe Express to make your designs look professional and balanced. Whether you are creating a social media post, a flyer, or a presentation, proper letter placement is essential for readability and aesthetic appeal. To get started, you first need to have your project open on the editor canvas. Once you are there, simply click on the text box you wish to modify. You will notice that as soon as the text is selected, a dedicated text panel automatically opens on the left side of your screen. This panel is your main command center for all things related to typography. To find the specific settings for letter placement, you need to scroll down through the options until you reach the section clearly labeled as alignment. In this area, you will find 4 distinct icons that represent your formatting choices. The first icon allows you to align your text to the left, which is the standard choice for most paragraphs and long blocks of copy. The second icon is for center alignment, which is perfect for headlines, quotes, or any text that needs to be the focal point of your layout. If you want a more unique look or need to tuck your text into a specific corner, you can click the third icon for right alignment. Finally, there is the justified option, which stretches your words so they touch both the left and right edges of the box, creating a clean and formal block shape. You can experiment with these different settings in real time to see which one fits your creative vision best. Adobe Express makes it incredibly simple to toggle between these options until your text sits exactly where you want it. This quick adjustment can significantly improve the flow of your information and the overall quality of your project. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this helps you create amazing designs. Please like and subscribe for more creative tips.